Transportation Engineering Laboratory. Now we will see method for finding out aberration value of aggregate by Los Angeles Aberration Testing Machine. As per IS 2386 Part 4.
The apparatus required. The Los Angeles Aberration Testing Machine. It consists of a hollow steel cylinder closed at both the ends with an internal diameter of 700 mm and length 500 mm and capable of rotating about its horizontal axis. A removable cover is provided which, when clamped, is dust proof. A steel shelf projecting radially is provided for the full length. The shelf is placed at a distance of minimum 125 cm from the opening in the direction of rotation. Abrasive charge. Cast iron or steel balls approximately 48 mm in diameter and each weighing between 390 to 445 gram. ISU of size 1.7 mm. We require a weighing machine of capacity 5 to 10 kg and accuracy 1 gram. Drying oven. At maintained temperature 100 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The aggregate sample. It used for the test comprises of a grading specified in this table.
Now we shall see the actual conduct of the test.
First, take aggregate sample in shallow tray. Wash and clean the sample and dry it in the oven at temperature 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. Clean and dry aggregate sample conforming to one of the grading A to G is used for the test. Refer table number 2 in IS 2386 Part 4. Select the grading to be used in the test. Take 5 kg of sample for gradings A, B, C or D and 10 kg for gradings E, F and G. Note the weight of sample is W1 gram. Choose the abrasive charge as per table. Open the cover and fill the aggregates and steel ball in the cylinder. Replace the cover tightly. Before starting the machine, first check the 0 revolutions of readings and then start the machine. Rotate the machine at a uniform speed of 30 to 33 revolutions per minute. Allow the machine to run for 500 revolutions for gradings A, B, C or D and 1000 revolutions for gradings E, F or G. Stop the machine after desired number of revolutions. Remove the dust cover and take out materials. Separate the steel balls and sieve the material on 1.7 mm IS sieve. Sieve the material on 1.7 mm IS sieve. Wash the material coarser than 1.7 mm size. Dry it in the oven to a constant temperature of about 105 degree to 110 degree Celsius. Note the weight of sample W2 gram. Calculate the percentage loss of material. Take another sample and repeat the experiment. Observation table. Grading selected. First, total weight of the sample W1 gram is 5 kg. 2. Weight of aggregate retained on 1.7 mm ISU W2 gram is 4375 gram. 3. Loss of weight W1 minus W2 is 625 gram. 4. Aberration value W1 minus W2 divided by W1 into 100 is 12.5, and another sample reading: first, W1 gram is 5 kg, second, W2 gram is 4150 gram, 3, W1 minus W2 is 850, 4, aberration value is 17. The mean of two values is 14.75, and its aberration value is equals to 14.75%. Result: the mean of the two results to the nearest whole number is reported as the Los Angeles aberration value of the material. Limits: for bituminous pavements, the value shall not exceed 30% for bituminous surface courses, and it shall not exceed 40% for granular base courses. For cement concrete pavement and dense bituminous macadam binder course, the maximum acceptable value is 35%.